Hi there, this is Zinski4 Transform. Today I am presenting to you Rubber Duck, the specialized ducking effect from the PAwS package. Hooking it up is simple as this. You have the main inputs where the background audio goes. In my case, this is going to be some music, and you have the sidechain inputs in which your voice goes in a typical setup. Basically ducking, so like what it does is turns the main input down when there is signal on the sidechain input. I'm going to start the music so that you can hear it in action. So the parameters are as simple as this. You can see first and foremost threshold parameter, which sets how loud you need to speak in order for the plugin to notice you. Basically it just like the gate plugin, it only cares about peaks, so yeah, no RMS. Peak value here, check. You can see it ducks the music nicely. And of course you can set the attack and release values, and this is also the same kind of envelope that I explained in case of the gate plugin, so like a reverse exponential thing, except it doesn't turn the music all the way down, only by the amount specified by this reduction knob. Check, just a bit, or not at all, or very much. Very duck. And yeah, the name Rubber Duck is because ducking and rubber because of that funny envelope, and it sounds like rubber, I don't know, synesthesia moment. Anyway, and as you can see, there is also this LED button here, toggle switch, which sets whether you want your voice to pass through to the output, because you might as well want the background music to be ducked, but you may want to process your voice in a separate chain, like I don't know. Anyway, but you can just disable yourself. Check, and you could hear it only ducked the music but didn't let my voice through. But if you have a simple setup like this, you can just have it enabled, and then this takes care of the mixing as well. And so yeah, this attack release hold is the same as for the gate plugin. If you are interested in a detailed explanation, go back to that video, the first one in this series. And this music I took from Super Tux Advance. I'm gonna put credit in the description, as well as I'm gonna put the link to this plugin suite to the description as well, where you can download it. I mean, you can compile it from source, like there is no dev package or anything like that, since I didn't intend this for any wide audience in the first place. But you can get the source, you can build it yourself, or if you are an Arch user, there is an AUR package. It's called PAwS-plugins-git. Some people have reported that the UI doesn't work in some hosts. It does in Carla. It uses Qt5, and I heard, for example, in Ardor this doesn't show up at all. But in any case, you can just use the native parameter as here, because there is not that many, so you won't get lost even if you can't have the UI. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, etc. See you sometime next time. Have a great one.